What's going on, YouTube? Today I'm trying to replace the bolt, the headlight bolt for the 400EX. As you can see, turn it on. What is it? It's that yellow light. And I got the bulb just came in today. Should be a white bolt. Let's see, get a few right there. LED. Got off from Amazon. About to try to put it on now. First thing, take this off. Shut it off. Just pull it. Taking these two bolts off right here. 1, 2. I'm using a 8mm. So I'm just gonna try to take the whole headlight assembly out, tune it up a little bit. As you can see, it's dirty. So let me do that now. Yep. So I took the two bolts off. As you can see, something else is holding from the bottom. All right there. I just gonna lift it up, I think. Let me see. Yeah, so all I did is just pop it straight up. Boom. See? Now it's out. Easy. Just pop it straight out from this two rubber thing from the bottom. I was holding it, was sitting on that. Now I'm gonna access this. Guess just pull it up right here and just access. Let me do that real quick. Just flip it up like that. Boom. See? That's one. Boom. Get it out of there. Okay, it's 2 screws. I don't want to rip no wires here. So it's a screwdriver. I gotta use that, take it out. Give me 1 second. 2 screws over here. That. Other side over here. I think it should just pop right out now. See? There you go. That's the yellow one. Let me take the new one out. The white bolt. See? Look at that. LED. Should last longer. Now let's go. Let's pop this baby out. I think. Let me see. Then you push it in right here. Right there, see a little clip, boom, pops right out. Like that. See, that's holding. So, the new one. That. Lock. Okay. And gotta push it in and lock it. See, push it in. Spin it right there. Gotta spin right there. Boom. Hopefully that works. Just test it out real quick. Put the light key switch on. Something's not right. Something's not right. Let's do it again. Just finished putting the white headlight bulbs. Now let's test it out. Oh my goodness. It looks bluish to me. It's nice though. Way better from the stock one. Well, this video helped you out. Make sure you like, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching. Peace and love.